Hello guys, what is up? In this video we are going to show you how to family share on Steam. Now if you want to share games with your family members on Steam, it is very easy. As you can see, we are now on the Steam app, Steam library. So how do we do this? Very easy. Click on the Steam option on the upper left corner of the screen like so, and click this. So once you click that, a drop down will appear. What you want to do next is click on settings. Once you do that, you will have this pop-up appear. Now, on your Steam settings, your main options are here on the left-hand side. Now, what you want to do is click on Family. And under Family, you have Family View, Family Library Sharing. This is what we want, and Authorized Library Sharing on this device. So, select up to 5 users who may access and use your library on authorized devices. So, of course, we want this enabled. Let's click on this, and this will be enabled. Eligible accounts, show notifications. So as you can see, we don't have any eligible accounts. What you want to do is click on manage, and here this is where you'll be able to share your stuff with your other family members. And again, you need authorized library sharing on this device enabled before you could share games with other family members. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next video.